Well, I just decided to do a little morning video about what I do each morning, my little routine. Kids have already gotten up, made them German pancakes for breakfast. They're eating, and while they're eating, I usually walk out to the ducks and goose and let them out. I lock them up each night just so that predators can't get to them. I don't do that to my own chickens because I guess I'm taking that risk. But since I'm fostering these birds, I want to protect them because they're kind of not mine. But it is 44 degrees is what my phone says this morning. So it's pretty cool. Ooh, a chicken was out. Trying to get back in there. You know, I don't do it for the Well, I do it for the chicken's safety. My dogs like to get them. Well, it's been a while since Tink got one. They're waiting for me. Hi, guys. There we go. Oh, that's heavy to do. And then Miss Bobby here is blind, so I gotta get her. Okay, here we go. Look at her feet going. She's wanting to swim, huh, Bobby? So, there you go. Poor bird. She just can't see. We moved their pools over here. We opened up this fence. We wanted to give them more room, but we also want them to, the ducks and goose and the chickens, to get rid of all the weeds and stuff because it's so bare over here. You guys, just go get the water. You gotta go around the fence. I think it's only been 2 or 3 days. Go on. Go on. Around, no, not that way. Around the fence. Go around the fence. Okay. Gotta pick him up too. Who is this? I don't know if this is Orphe or Bill. There you guys go. They got a little bit of food from yesterday on the ground they can eat. They have their water. The chickens go in here and try to finish what they left. Guess I should check to see. No duck egg. Okay, and the chickens are already out this morning. Those are our first 2 chicks that we had this year. They like to hang out together because they were the only ones for a little while. So I think we have a rooster and a hen. We'll see. Nobody's crowing yet. What? Everybody be nice to each other. Let's see, and then I just peek in here. Chickens have food in there. They have water down there, so they're good for a while. And that's it. Then I go back in the house and I start doing homeschool with the kids. So, yep. Oh, the beautiful morning. Do. I just love the view around me. It's actually kind of smoky. I wonder if there's a fire around somewhere. But anyways, okay, bye.